Someone please give me advice on how to fix this problem. I'm having an issue with, I believe, my transmission. It's been that way for a while now, probably for like a week and a half. It just stopped out of nowhere. Um, so I changed the filter, changed the fluid, and wanted to see what would the outcome be, which nothing happened. It pretty much seemed like it got worse. I put it in reverse and I'm getting this noise. I put it in drive, it probably gets worse. Yeah. I don't know what this is. I just need help fixing it. Somebody can give me advice on what I should do. I appreciate it. I took off the brake fucking thingy, whatever, the emergency brakes, and I've done everything that was recommended online. I still haven't came up with a solid resolution. If you give me anything that'd be helpful, I try. I just do not trust our transmission shop that we got out here, and I'm pretty sure I'll have the same outcome as my other friend that took theirs to the trans shop and had to take her back in less than 3 months. So if just give me any advice, and I'll try to see what I can come up with. I appreciate it, guys.